Welcome to Seaquaria Ocean Education, a Canadian nonprofit educating youth about Pacific Northwest aquatic ecosystems. Each video we explore the amazing intertidal life of the Salish Sea. Join us as we try new activities, speak with experts in the field, and learn about what's in our ocean backyard on southern Vancouver Island. Enjoy today's video!
Welcome to Intertidal Safari. My name is Maya.
And I'm Yuko.
And today we are at Kitty Islet.
We are exploring this splash zone today.
We hope you enjoy.
Okay, so we're going to start exploring the splash zone at Kitty Islet here in Oak Bay. And it's actually a pretty amazing space with lots of biodiversity, despite the fact that it doesn't really look like much. This program is interrupted to bring you footage of orca whales that were spotted off the coast of Kitty Islet in Oak Bay, Victoria. Wow. Oh, there's a fin over there too. Whoa! Wow! Oh my gosh. Wow, this is special.
Oh my god!
Yep. Oh, wow! Okay, back to the splash zone. The splash zone is the uppermost part of the intertidal zone, and it never really gets covered in water, but it does get splashed, hence the name. Most people don't really think of much being here other than driftwood and some grasses, but it is a pretty important part of the intertidal zone. The splash zone is an area that helps to prevent erosion, and it also is an area where different insect species, bird species, and mammals will make use of, including us. Humans often spend most of their time in the splash zone up on beaches or by driftwood. Dune grasses are a type of hardy grass species that grows quite close to the ocean. They are an excellent ecosystem engineer or pioneer species. A pioneer species is a species that makes it easier for other plants to grow.
Gumweed is another coastal species that grows right next to the ocean in the splash zone. They have thick leaves that helps them retain water. And like the dune grasses, they have shallow and lateral root system to let them stabilize the soil and to uptake nutrients.
This beautiful, if somewhat scruffy looking plant is gumweed. And gumweed is one of those plants in the splash zone that does pretty well in the soil despite the fact that it's a lot more briny and salty compared to other soil compositions in different areas. Also, you see these rocks behind me? They may look like they're just different colors of rock, but actually the black, yellow, and white are different species of lichen that grow in the splash zone. So where does the splash zone begin? Looking at this rock out here, we can see some striations on the rock itself. There's towards the water where algae and other animals live, and then there's a band of barnacles, which is that white line that you can see. The band of barnacles is essentially where the splash zone ends and the high intertidal zone begins. Everything above that doesn't get covered in water and is part of the splash zone. That's it for episode 2 of Intertidal Safari, the Splash Zone.
We hope you enjoyed and we'll see you in episode 3, Life on a High Tide Rock.
See you next time!
Thank you for watching today's video, and thank you to all of our donors and supporters for making the work we do possible. If you would like to donate to Seaquaria Ocean Education or wish to download free activities and lesson plans, please visit our website at seaquaria.org. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss a single video. See you next time!